Hi, today I'm going to show you how to generate citations while you're using databases for your search. For your English 1103 project, you will be searching newspapers. So I'm going to go over databases and take a look at the newspaper databases that we can choose from. We have 7. So there are 7 databases that will search newspaper articles. For your project, you probably don't want historic unless you're doing some kind of historic project. Let's start with Newspaper Source Plus. Now, I'm going to search coronavirus plus schools. Those are my keywords. So search, and let me sort these. Instead of by relevance, let's do them by newest. I want to see what the newest things they're saying about schools are, because they're talking about schools reopening right now. So here's one on Trump reopening schools. The Democrats feel that he ignored science. We're not going to get into a political discussion right now in this video, but if I want an opinion, here's one opinion. So here's an article that I could choose. The way to generate the citation easily is when I find an article that I think will work, I click this Cite button. Then scroll down. These are all the different citation styles. We want MLA. There we go, MLA. So we are going to copy that. Control-C will copy on a PC. I've got a new document open in Word. We'll call this Works Cited. Let me just bold that and put it in the center. And then you'll notice that if I switch back to where I copied the citation, the second line is indented. My page isn't quite that wide, so I'm going more than 2 lines, but I definitely want every line after that first line to be indented. So I just click on the second line and move that over to the 1/2 inch mark. And that will move over everything underneath. So now I have my first citation. Let me go back, and let's just start at the beginning. We'll go back to the library homepage, go to databases. Again, we're going to go into newspapers. And this time, I'm going to look at US Newsstream. I want to see a different database that's going to show me results from US News. So I actually did this earlier. I've got coronavirus plus schools saved. I'm going to search those 2 keywords. Another keyword term I could use is COVID-19 plus schools. Again, I'm going to sort most recent first. That's what I want. Okay, politics play a role in reopening Pennsylvania schools. This might sound like an interesting article for my paper, so I'm going to click there. And I can also see it's full text over here. And I can read the article if it's what I want. Again, click the citation button. From here, you get a drop-down menu, which is not wanting to click right now. There we go. And you can select MLA. We want to select 8th edition. And then again, copy, paste it into Word. Again, it did not keep that indentation, so I'm going to put that in. And now I've got a good start on my Works Cited. One thing I do want to point out when you're searching databases, you can limit your results to full text. So you can tell I had 174,000 results. Now I've got 173,000 odd results. I may want to narrow my search because I certainly don't want to go through 173,000 hits. But hopefully that will show you how you can generate citations. It's a lot easier than using Google search and trying to do citations from scratch, although there is a website I've provided for you to be able to do that, the Purdue OWL site. Good luck with your citations, and let me know if you need any help. Thanks.